Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Mr. Muslikan, English Lecture of Physical Education, Health and Recreation Department, receptable all my friends whom we love. In this beautiful occasion, we are from Group 2. My name is Muhammad Nur Arif as moderator.
My name is Muhammad Riki Wardana as presenter one.
My name is Akina Jula Zuro as presenter 2.
My name Muhammad Firdaus Asnarukminto as presenter 4.
We are going to present an article review entitled Best Planus Level and Food Pine Effect Selection Performance Parameter, a study on team sport athletics. For all present, for team is yours.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, who are you today? Would like to explain you about the title, authors, institution, and publisher of the article. The article was written by Mr. or Mrs. Irma Febrianti, Haris Jono, Francisca Januarium Mahendra, Haryanto Nur Muhammad, Fakrur Rahman Kafrawi, Prarida Nurhayati, Afian Julfa Dinata, Vivuka Dwi Kori from Faculty of Sport, Science and Healthy Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Indonesia, Mr. or Mrs. Ahmed Kortoglu from Faculty of Sport, Science Badriman on the Eylül University, Turkey, Mrs. Amya Tanubi from Hague Institute of Sport and Physical Education of Kiev, Universitas of Jendubua, Tunisia, Mr. Karupasamy Govindasam from Faculty of General and Adapted Physical Education, and juga Ramaika Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institution, India. Mr. Edi Setiawan from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Fakultas Surya Kencana, Indonesia. This article was published by Balno and PRM Search Journal. Will that will that spark information about the title, author, institution, and publisher of the article? The following information will be presented to Muhammad Akil Nazila Zuhro. The time is yours.
Well, happy brothers and sisters, are you still with me? Now, I am going to explain you about the purpose and method of the study. This article aims to the study entitled Best Planets Level and Food Pain Effect Select Performance Parameters, a study on team sport athletes, aims at investigating the relationship between best players, flat foot pain, and several performance parameters like running speed, agility, power, and balance among team sport athletes. In this study, the researcher used methods. In this study, the researcher used a correlational research design. The measurements used were the footprint test, knee pain intensity, visual analog scale, 3D metal sprint, modified agility test, counter movement jump, and standing stroke balance test. Well, that's short information about the purpose, methods, and technique of collecting and analyzing the data of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter 3 for Dermawan Hidayati. Time is yours.
Hey, brother and sister, are you still with me? Now I'm going to explain you about the population, sample, and technique of collecting and analyzing the data. The study population are male team sport athletes and sample total is 48 male team sport athletes from football, handball, and futsal. These athletes are from the Faculty of Sport and Health Science, Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Indonesia. And the data were collected and analyzed by using direct physical tests like FT, KPI, FAST, and performance assessment. For collecting the data, the data analysis use Shapiro-Wilk for normality testing, followed by Pearson correlation analysis. Well, that's short information about the population and sample and technique of collecting and analyzing the data of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter 4. For Muhammad Firdaus Asnarukminto, time is yours.
Hello, I am Muhammad Firdaus Asnarukminto. Now I'm going explain you about the result and findings of the study. The result of feeding of the study show that Spes significantly correlates with food pain and reduce athletic performance. Key findings include moderate negative correlation between Pesplanus and food pain. Pesplanus reduce leg power and balance. Moderate positive correlation with 30 meter sprint and agility time, indicating slower speed and reduce agility. Food pain also show negative correlation with sprint agility and jumping performance. Food and pain balance showed very like positive correlation. Now I'm going to explain you about conclusion of the study. This concluded conclude this plus planus contribution to increased food pain and negatively affect key performance parameter among team sport athletic. The research recommended early detection on correction exercise program to minimize the impact of fast planners and optimize athletic performance. Well, that's short information about the conclusion of the study. That's presentation of the article review from presenter. For moderator Muhammad Nur Arif, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for all present. That's our presentation today about article review on best planus level and food pain affect selected performance parameters. A student on team sport athletics. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.